Hello and welcome to our video series exploring various use cases of the innovative and new cloud solution Xiting security platform. In this video, I'll demonstrate how the SAP license analysis feature works. Our cloud solution, the Xiting security platform XSP, comes with a cross-system license dashboard. It makes it possible to connect many S/4HANA on-premise systems to our cloud solution in order to perform a holistic license analysis and get an overview of the current license situation for your entire SAP landscape, using the official SAP license rule set that you will find in SAP Note 3113382. The minimum principal and needs-based roles are common requirements in the SAP authorization world. With the switch from usage-based to authorization-based license measurement in S/4HANA and the introduction of new S/4HANA user licenses, implementing these principles in your authorization concept is more important than ever. The associated changes and the effort involved are difficult to assess for many companies. In the XSP license analysis applications, we can analyze licenses on a user and/or on a role level, which is the only way to avoid over-licensing in S/4HANA. When we want to perform a cleanup, we want to optimize licenses for our customers. The license costs are user-based and driven by the roles or the authorizations assigned to the users. So we look into the roles as well, because the roles will dictate the license costs, carrying the authorizations that are important for the license classification on the user level. So if you want to remediate, clean up, or optimize your license costs by tweaking some of the roles, for instance, this module will be extremely useful, providing the analysis on user and role level. Let's begin with the user overview. Within our system landscape, there are global users, and our application uses identity consolidation. This allows S/4HANA on-premise systems to connect to our cloud solution hosted on the SAP Business Technology Platform, SAP BTP. As a result, local users from each S/4HANA system are integrated into the solution. A mechanism is then required to consolidate these local users into a global user. Once consolidated, license types will be accurately classified at the global user level. The User Overview tab includes 3 critical columns. First, current classification. This reflects the license classification maintained in the user master data, transaction SU01, for each individual user. Second, authorization classification. This is determined by the roles assigned to the user. Each role contains various authorization objects which are evaluated against a predefined rule set to identify the applicable license type. And third, usage classification. This is based on actual system usage data. In S/4HANA, there are 3 primary license types: professional, functional, and productivity. The professional license is the most comprehensive and typically the most costly license type. Therefore, authorization management plays a critical role in optimizing license assignments and reducing overall licensing costs. How does this analysis work? We analyze user activity data from each connected local S/4HANA system and consolidate this information under the corresponding global user profile. This enables classification based on actual usage, providing valuable insights for optimizing your licensing strategy. For detailed insights into license classification, you can select a specific user to understand how a particular license type, such as HP Professional, was assigned. This view includes license evaluation from role and usage perspectives. By expanding the role count section, the role assignment tab will open, providing a detailed overview of assigned roles contributing to the license classification. In the Role Explorer tab, you can view detailed information about each role, including the role type, as you can see in some seconds. Here, an SAP single role, the corresponding license type, for example, a professional license, and the specific authorization objects that contribute to the assignment of this license type. A particularly important aspect of this view is the User Assignments section. This displays all users associated with the selected role. In this example, 23 users are assigned to the role and, as a result, are automatically classified under the highest license category due to the role's authorizations. The second application is the license overview. This section provides a more visual representation of key licensing metrics. The first chart displays the total costs of licenses for all users, the second one the estimated total costs for all users, calculated based on actual usage data. Additionally, it shows the total number of licenses required, categorized by license type, both from an authorization perspective and from a usage-based perspective. Finally, the used versus available licenses chart offers a comparative overview of current license allocations. This feature allows you to configure your current license entitlements within the XSP. You can specify the number of professional, productivity, and functional licenses available, enabling you to assess potential gaps and determine whether additional licenses need to be procured from SAP. The next application is the role overview, which provides insights into your organization's role, design, and structure. At the top of the interface, various filter criteria are available to help you refine the data view. Based on the connected local S/4HANA systems, the application displays all available roles. It also highlights which roles are associated with the highest licensing costs. For more detailed information, you can select a specific role, which will navigate you back to the previously mentioned Role Explorer, where you can further analyze the license impact of that role. Thank you for exploring the license analysis with us. Are you interested in a demo with one of our experts? Then contact us and we will get back to you soon.